Yep.
We should be in a safe zone.
Well, I know we're in a safe zone. I just heard a piece of shell land over here somewhere.
I went to do a wheelie and I hit the brakes in my accident.
Well, technically, no, we're not in a safe zone because if one of them more tips over and faces this way, we need to scatter.
Well.
Oh! It tips! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Watch out! Look out! Oh, that was great! You know, hey,
That was the best.
hey, that was some trippy shit now that I think about
That
it.
was the best.
Because you remember when we were standing over there, I was like, you better watch what you say because we're right in the trajectory if it tipped over, right?